Shubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Malabika bisyarat kawin ni kenong wat benia na kajala ne kesengi kalai kendu ikenung tok kebor ha Shillong Press Club ha ka ba kala keren halor ke jengrake ya kesengi ka ba shispa arpusan snem jong Nitaji Subhash Chandra Bose mat kejengwan sa jung u ha kenong ba Shillong ka bisyarat kalai tu ba Nitaji Subhash Chandra Bose lawan sa hanong ba Shillong sansin kenti kata arsin house nem khat khnai spa arpunyau Shisin house nem khat khanai spa arp khandai but house nem khat khanai spa laipopra ulawan sa arsin ha kanong ba Shillong ha kitu kepor u Subhash Chandra Bose uladawa bandon tangkawai ka India klem da keng ya ki kanhun jaj benreu ka ktien ka thlej bat kanyam hanrei benyo Laitluid na gijing bishar jong sarkar pareng.
I am Srimati Malabika Bisharat from Rilbong, Shillong. Today I would like to give a press conference on Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's 5 times visit to Shillong. In this press, not in this press hall, but another hall in Press Club Shillong, I have given my press address on Netaji in April 2016. This is my second press conference on Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and Shillong and his 5 times visit. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose visited Shillong, the then capital of Assam province, 5 times during British rule in India. As per the records received from various printing medias of that time, the Statesman, Associate Press and Amrita Bajar Pratika, certain interesting unveiled facts have been found. It is a great initiative that Government of India has declared Netaji's birthday as Parakram Divas. The 125th birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was celebrated throughout the whole nation on 23rd January 2021. In line with this, it will be a great honor to narrate the correct story on Netaji's visit to Shillong with authentic years, dates and timelines on this auspicious occasion of Netaji's 125th birth anniversary. As per the above mentioned research by me, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose visited Shillong twice in 1927 at the age of 30, once in 1929 at the age of 32 and twice in 1938 at the age of 41. Those days, Subhash Chandra Bose dreamed of a united India, irrespective of caste, creed and religion, and to free India from British rule and to develop India, his motherland, in all respect. After 2.5 years of detention without trial in Burmese prison, Subhash Chandra Bose was released by the British government on 16th May 1927 from Insin jail. First he went to Calcutta. His weight had fallen by 20 pounds. Shillong was then famous as a sanitarium. He came to Shillong on 12 June 1927 to recover his ill health. Eminent Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy came to Shillong to treat Subhash Chandra Bose. Netaji was accompanied by his father, mother and many other family members. After some time, his family members went back to Calcutta. They had rented Kilsa Lodge at Auckland, Shillong. Now it is occupied by BSNL. Sarabhai family members Tanuram Fukan and Nobin Chandra Badulai used to visit Subhash Chandra Bose. He was then a completely free man, some critical disorder in stomach. That's why he came here. And his weight, I told you in this statement that 20 pounds had fallen. He was in Insin jail and Burmese in Burma. After they are in jail, He had no proper food, no proper water, no proper treatment by the British government, and he was tremendously ill during those days. And for that reason, the British government had to release him. And he came back to Calcutta, and from there, Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy, the famous doctor of those days, he suggested Subhash Chandra Bose to come to Shillong. This is a good sanitarium that time, and I think today also. And he came here to regain his ill health. During that time, 1930 September, I think you can get it from archive, and I have, but it is in this mobile it is not there. But 1930 photographs, September, October, you can get it from archive. From Google's and Nitaji's history, research and information, that many Khasi people, they joined.
Okay.
And Manipuri, from Manipur, Nagaland, they also joined.
Yes.
Khasi,
Yes, there are, yes.
yes, Nepalese, they joined INA.
Yeah, one
And-
is the Congress is there, yes, I remember.
Yes.
Yes,
Many people are there, and they are great brave fighter in INA. There are no books yet to be, has not yet published, but articles. There are so many articles are there. Articles unpublished, so I don't know, but published. What I have seen, I can tell you about that. Thus, you please go through on all those articles published previous. He came to Shillong. He went back Shillong. After that, he was not elected president. When he was elected president, he came to Shillong in 1938. Before that, 1927, 1929, to recover his health. I told you. I will give you my research printout. Yes, and from Calcutta, he went to Russia and then German. They in the year of Pathan, no. He loved students the most. Yes, many. He was a political person, and in each behind each political person, there must be many conspiracy, many political conspiracy, and many persons must be there. It is in democracy. Nobody that time. No conspiracy was there. Otherwise, how could he elected as the president of Congress that time? After in the next election, he was elected in Tripura election, and after that some conspiracy was there, and it is everybody know, and from history books. Yesterday I came to know, and before that also, that Gandhiji, he didn't want that Nitaji to be the president, next president of Congress. He was the Gandhiji.
Yes.
He was the Gandhiji. If that time he was agreed that Nitaji should be the president, that then I think that our this position of this dividing in three parts, our India, it would be not done by the British. Netaji were with us, and he had disappeared. Where he had gone, what happened to how brutally he was murdered, brother, I can say, or where he was imprisoned. We don't know. We don't know anything so far. It is very unfortunate for every Indians. That till date, 125th birth anniversary, we are celebrating in the whole nation and abroad also. But we don't know till date that where one person, where that great personality, that great freedom fighter, that great hero has vanished, and by whom, and by what was the conspiracy? Is there actually any conspiracy, or the plane crash, or any accident, or his disease, or anything may happen? might happen. We don't know, but it's very unfortunate. I think as a Netaji lover, as an Indian, as a writer, researcher, that it is very unfortunate that we don't know the actual fact, and we have the right to know what has happened to Netaji in a mandir. Okay, Japan has kept it till date, but it is the duty of our country to go there to collect the ashes and to we are in 21st century many medical we have developed in medical field, and one ashes can be collected from there, and his Netaji's daughter Anita Pap is there. His DNA test can be done, and it can be found whether it is of Netaji's ashes or not. I don't know why it is delayed till date. 125th years has gone. So they must do it. Family members and his daughter Anita Pap Basu, he told the Indian government, please unfold the mystery of my father's death, and we all want to know what is the mystery behind his death, because we love Netaji till date. He is our hero.